Here I have OPPO A1X, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off. And after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Actually, you can release all keys when you see like recovery mode written here with small letters. So here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can also just like use touchscreen. So you have such options as format data, reboot device or power off. So if you want to quit this mode, select an option reboot device, then OK, and after that device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.